A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Muhammadin wa ala alihi wasallam. Today we will study second ruku of Surah An Nahl. Our last session ended with this message that the path towards Allah Almighty is straight and in accordance to the nature. The man has been given the free will to opt the right and wrong course, and in this way he is accountable for his own actions. With this prayer, may Allah Almighty help us in understanding the true context of the Holy Quran by the grace of His beloved Prophet Rahmatul lil Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Let us start today's session, Surah An Nahl, Ruku 2, comprising verses 10 to 21. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Huwallazi anzala minas samai ma'allakum. It is He who sends down water from the sky. Minhu sharabum wa minhu shajarum fihi tusimun. From it is drink and from it is foliage in which you pasture. Tusimuna, you graze. Allah Almighty has not made men to be compelled. Rather, He has placed within him the consciousness of good and evil. He has established a comprehensive system of guidance. Now it is the responsibility of man to choose his own way. He is the one who sends down water from the sky, from which people are benefited. Similarly, other creatures also get the advantage. He made the trees and plants to grow, in which we graze our cattle. Like a rain from the sky, ideas are also revealed in our mind. Some people use them for their own purposes, while some fulfill their own needs and use them to satisfy the requirements of other beings. Such people act according to nature. Yumbitu lakum bihiz zar'a wa zaytuna wa nakhila wal anaba wa min kulli samarat. With it, He causes to grow for you crops and olives and palm trees and grapes and all kinds of fruits. Inna fi zalika la ayatal liqaumi yatafakkarun. Indeed, in that is a sign for a people who reflect. Yatafakkarun, who give thought. From this system of rainwater, Allah also grows crops for us and various other fruits such as olives, dates, grapes, etc. The fact is that this system of irrigation through water is a sign for meditation and contemplation. How, after being irrigated with the same water, the earth produces a variety of crops and fruits of different shapes, colors, and tastes are produced. In chapter 13, Surah Ra'd, verse 4, it is mentioned, and within the land are neighboring plots and gardens of grapevines and crops and palm trees, several from a root or otherwise, irrigated with one water. But we make some of them exceed others in fruit. Indeed, in that are signs for a people who reason. وَسَخَّرَ لَكُمُ اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ. And He has subjugated for you the night and day. وَالشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ وَالنَّجُومُ مُسَخَّرَاتٌ بِأَمْرِهِ. And the sun and the moon and the stars are subjugated by His commandment. Inna fi zalika la ayatil liqaumi yaqilun. Indeed, in it are signs for a people who reason. وَمَا زَرَعَ عَلَاكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ مُخْتَلِفًا أَلْوَانُهُ. And whatever He has dispersed for you in the land of varying colors. Inna fi zalika la ayatal liqaumi yazakkarun. Verily, in that is a sign for a people who remember. Sakhara, he has subjected, subjugation of night and day, the sun and the moon and the stars, means that we can explore their potentials and use them for the goodness of ourselves and others. For example, when man pondered about the potential of iron, he made various inventions. Now, since that pondering is continuing, new inventions are also coming out of iron. Allah has made all these things subservient to mankind by His grace and mercy, but only those people can benefit from the potentials hidden within them who acquire requisite knowledge about their potentials and then bring them to work by using their intellect for themselves and other creatures. The wearing of colorful things orderly spread out in this universe are the visible and clear signs of our Lord, so that we can know the reality by reflecting upon them, ascertain our life goal, and make endeavors to achieve them. The fact is that the purpose of these signs and their reality can be known only by those who remember Allah Almighty. Otherwise, day, night, sun, moon, stars, and all kinds of creatures are just a few things for an ordinary person. In chapter 35, Surah Fatir, verse 28, it is mentioned. And among people and crawling creatures and cattle are various colors similarly. Only those fear Allah Almighty from among His servants who have knowledge. Indeed, Allah is exalted in might and forgiving. وَهُوَ الَّذِي سَخَّرَ الْبَحْرَ, and it is He who subjugated the sea. لِتَأْكُلُوا مِنْهُ لَحْمًا طَرِيًّا وَتَسْتَخْرِجُوا مِنْهُ حِلْيَةً تَلْبَسُونَ, so that you may eat from it tender meat, and to extract from it ornaments which you wear. وَتَرَى الْفُلْكَ مَوَاخِرَ فِيهِ وَلِتَبْتَغُوا مِنْ فَضْلِهِ, and you see boats ripping through it, and that you may seek His bounty. وَلَعَلَّكُمْ تَشْكُرُونَ, and that you will be grateful. Tariyan, fresh. Hilyatan, ornaments. Muwakhira, plowing. Like other things, our Lord has subjugated rivers, streams, seas, etc. for us, so that we can take advantage of their potentials, use it to fulfill our wish and for the goodness of other beings. They are also a source of fresh meat for us as well as decorative items. Just as a boat moves forward on its journey in the water, and the people on it seek the grace of Allah Almighty, in the similar way, all of us are sitting in the boat of our body and making our journey. How good will it be if that journey is spent for seeking the acceptance and gratitude of Allah Almighty and His beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It is stated in chapter 45, Surah Al Jasiyah, verse 12. Translation is, it is Allah who subjected to you the sea, so that boats may sail upon it by His command, and that you may seek of His bounty, and perhaps you will be grateful. وَأَلْقَى فِي الْأَرْضِ رَوَاسِيَ أَن تَمِيدَ بِكُمْ, and He has put anchors in the earth, lest it may sway you. وَأَنْهَارًا وَسُبُولًا لَعَلَّكُمْ تَهْتَدُونَ, and rivers and paths so that you may be guided. وَعَلَامَاتٍ وَبِالنَّجْمِ هُمْ يَهْتَدُونَ, and landmarks, and by the stars they are guided. أَفَمَن يَخْلُقُ كَمَن لَا يَخْلُقُ أَفَلَا تَذَكَّرُونَ. Then is he who creates like one who does not create? So will you not be reminded? The first underlined word is tamida. It shakes. Alamat, benchmarks. Allah has placed anchors in the earth so that it may not drift anywhere with us, and there is no disturbance in its rotation. Likewise, He has established a system of waterways in the earth so that we can navigate our way at our own convenience. He has placed many milestones to mark the routes, and some people even find their way through the stars. The one who keeps his direction right by recognizing the milestones while passing through lands or sea routes reaches his destination. One wonders whether the one who created all this could be like the one who created nothing. Even a simple mind can easily know that both are not equal. Then those who consider others equivalent to Allah Almighty, they don't understand that the real creator and honor is Allah Almighty. It is stated in chapter 7, Surah Al-Araf, verse 191. Do they associate with him who create nothing and are themselves created? وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. And if you should count the favors of Allah Almighty, you cannot enumerate them. Inna Allah la ghafurur rahim. Indeed, Allah Almighty is forgiving, merciful. Wallahu ya'lamu ma tusirruna wa ma tu'linun. And Allah knows what you conceal and what you reveal. Tosuha, count. O reader of Quran, if you start counting the blessing of Allah Almighty upon you, you can't count them. Think for a while through which stages He has created you, and His mercy and blessings were with you in all those stages. And even after coming to this world, He has taken us from one stage to another. In spite of our mistakes and shortcomings, we are being given the means of life. Our guidance and supervision are also arranged. It is He who can protect us from the evil effects of our mistakes, and He has covered everything with His mercy. Allah Almighty, who is the real creator and honor, knows every single thing about us. He is also aware of the thought that arises within us. How can anything be hidden from Him? Therefore, if one thinks that his deeds are not known to the real Creator, he is surely mistaken. In chapter 3, Surah Al Imran, verse 29, it is mentioned, say, whether you conceal what is in your breast or reveal it, Allah knows it. And He has knowledge of what is in the heavens and what is in the earth. And Allah has power over everything. وَالَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ. And those whom they invoke besides Allah. لَا يَخْلُقُونَ شَيْءٌ وَهُمْ يُخْلَقُونَ. Create nothing and are themselves created. Amwatun ghayru ahya. Dead, lifeless. وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ أَيَّانَ يُبْعَثُونَ. And they do not perceive when they will be resurrected. Ayana, when. Those other entities that people call upon except Allah Almighty and consider them as fulfiller of their needs. They are not creator of anything. Rather, they are the creatures themselves. And like all other creatures, they are in need of their creator and master. And he who is in need himself, how will he fulfill the needs of others? According to chapter 35, Surah Fatir, verse 40. Say it, have you seen your partners whom you invoke besides Allah Almighty? Show me, what have they created from the earth? Or have they a share in the heavens? Or have we given them a book so they are on clear evidence therefrom? Rather, the wrongdoers do not promise each other except delusion. Their condition is like that of a dead because they do not know when and how they will be raised. By reflecting on verse 21, it is known that those servants of Allah Almighty who have knowledge of the fact that when and how they will be resurrected are not dead but alive. A summary of the Ruku. The descent of water from the sky and the quenching of the thirst of humans and animals, the growth of various crops, trees and foliage, fruits and flowers are signs of Allah Almighty. But this is only realized by those who reflect. Allah has subjugated the night and day, the sun and the moon, and the stars for us by His command. And whoever ponders on the potential of these creations should use them for the betterment of himself and for Allah's creations. Signs of Allah are spread everywhere in this universe and even within ourselves. But these signs are understood only by those who remember Allah and use the countless blessings given by Him with gratitude. May Allah Almighty help us in understanding the true context of the Holy Quran, and may we act upon it according to the guidance of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sadaqallahul Aliyul Azim. Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Habibihi Muhammadun wa alihi wasallam.